Hey, parents and players, just wanted to kind of do something a little bit different. I know with all this COVID-19, our basketball banquet got canceled, but I still wanted to do something to honor and recognize our girls and all their hard work this season. And so I tried to put some things together just to honor them and to thank them. And so it was a great year. Some really, really good things happened. And so still hopeful that we may be able to do something, but I did not want to lose an opportunity to just thank the girls and just highlight some of the positive things that have happened and absolutely honor our seniors for their dedication to our team. So I wanted to make sure that we make that happen, even though this might look a little bit different than what we normally do. One of the things that I'm thankful for is that, just thank you to my wife and to Tracy, just your sacrifice. Just coming to a lot of basketball games and supporting us, bringing the kids along. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's huge. Thank you to the Booster Club. You guys do so much for our school, our sports, and it's just so appreciated. This year, you guys helped purchase the Dr. Dish, which is a shooting machine. I know several girls came in before the season before school day and early in the morning and used that to shoot, getting some extra work in, extra shots. That was huge. I want to encourage parents and players that Dr. Dish will be available all summer long. Hopefully everything's opened up by then, but we want you in. Use it. We want it to wear that thing out and use it. So get some shots in. We definitely need to become better shooters, and so if we can use that and you can help utilize that, it's got drills, it's got things to work on ball handling, shooting, just tons of different things. We want to maximize just the potential of that machine. And so parents, players know that next year or this summer that is available, and we want to use it as much as possible. Lena Kleiner and that crew, you guys have put a lot of time in. I know the Booster Club does so much with our Trojan Classic. You guys, that's an incredible tournament. I think it's the best one in the state. You guys treat the players, the teams, the administration, the fans, just I believe it's the best tournament in the state, and you guys bring in top quality teams. If you look at that, just how many of them were in sub-state finals. Clay Center was in, for the girls team, won their first round, so they were in the top 4 of their state tournament. Just some great schools that were playing. So thank you so much for all your hard work. That's huge. To Michelle and David Ediger, thank you guys for your just being the team booster parents and just locker treats and getting everything organized for treats on the way home, and just that's amazing. Girls love it so much, and it's just huge. And I know I was asking Michelle middle of the year just how things sign ups and if there's any needs, and seemed like thank you to the parents for all of your guys' sacrifices. Once again, like I said, girls love that stuff, and it's just such a kind of a boost. They are very, very grateful, and so thank you so much for all of that work. To you as parents, thank you for the many miles that you traveled. Thank you for just cheering in the stands. Your positive words are such a huge help for our team. Thank you for just the encouragement that you have at home. There's definitely some times that are hard practices. Thank you for encouraging your girls to stick through it and encouraging them to do their best. Thank you for being with our team and not against our team. I just thank you for where we are at, and thank you for those parents, just the positive things that you've done. Thank you to Coach Bolt and Coach Lowen. You guys are amazing. I do really believe I've got the 2 best assistant coaches in the whole state. You guys are incredible. Just the love that you have for our team, the love that you have for our girls is just incredible. I trust you guys so much, and know that you have and desire what's best for our team. And it's so far greater than just a paycheck. It's something that you're passionate about. It's something that you care deeply about. And just I'm so fortunate to have you guys as a coaching staff. It makes my life easier, and it's a lot of fun to coach with you guys. So thank you so much. You guys do an incredible job. Not just it's with every girl, with the C team, with the JV, with the varsity, all of those things. You guys carry yourself with a high level of integrity, and I thank you for that. To the players, thank you for a great year. It's been incredible, and I love all of you ladies and just the things that you were able to accomplish and the things that you were able to overcome, the hardships that you were able to face. And I think that we grew a lot in some of those things and how to face those and how to handle those things. You guys brought such a great attitude when we were talking about being thankful. I thought we really came with a really positive attitude with a lot of different situations this year. I thought we showed a lot of growth and maturity, and I just love that. Just character-wise, I think this game challenges you a lot, but it also provides an opportunity to grow in your character and do some amazing things. And so I think that's huge, and I think you guys did an amazing job there. Just kind of an overview. We started with 26 girls, but we had 25 girls out. We also had 3 managers, which was fantastic. I'll talk about them a little bit more. But that highest number of all time, it's huge. Just for me as a coach, just having girls there, we can go 2 courts, 5-on-5 a lot, and we got a lot more reps in. That was huge for the girls to get as many reps as possible. I felt like it was competitive, and so that was just I could clearly see our skill development increase throughout the year. We were able to play 7 C games this year, just a lot of things, the girls doing some great things there, and just finding and seeing their value and how they help their team and putting them in their areas that they were strong and challenging them in some areas. And so great job there. 3-16 in JV, like I said, just growing in that and getting better and better and better, and just seeing, I always love the JV tournament and just seeing just the way that we develop and just getting better in our man-to-man and being attacking and moving the ball and just execution. Just great job there. 14-9 in our varsity. This is the most wins we've had in quite a few years. Great job with that. We won the Mountain Ridge tournament. Fantastic way to start the season. We were in the championship game in Trojan Classic. Once again, like I said, a tough field there, and so it's amazing. Thankful that just how we battled in that and played well, and thankful that we gave ourselves an opportunity to be in that the championship game. And I felt like we competed well with that as well. We were in the top half of our league. We had a really, really tough league. If you look at all Division I athletes, college athletes, high level of skills that we battle and battle and battle, and we pushed some really, really good teams to the limits. So top half of the league, which is a fantastic. And we got to the sub-state finals, almost there, had opportunities and stuff like that. But first time that we've been there, 6 years just to the sub-state finals, and so very, very proud of that. Just a great place. I felt like, just a great accomplishment to make it to that finals and stuff and battle. I know it hurt to lose. Hopefully that motivates us for future years, but it's something that we can celebrate in this current year as well. Some season memories. There's some things that I want to highlight. I asked some of the girls before spring break. I sent out a kind of a survey. I heard about from half of them just some positive things that you remember. One of the things that I always want to highlight is just the idea of service. The idea of servanthood is something that I value and I believe, and I saw that a lot in the girls. I did a blood drive in December, and 12 to 16 girls showed up. Great attitude, serving, helping, did an incredible job. We were able to raise $510. We'll use that towards team jackets and just for our girls, just to benefit those for the future. They were amazing with that. Got recognized in the paper for that as well. Jam basketball every year, 6 Saturdays to love on little girls in elementary school that want to be great, and those little girls look up to our high school girls so much. And we had 20 different players and coaches that helped out this year. That's incredible, just the number of people that helped out. Many of them volunteered and donated that money back to the program. Once again, that's all that money that money goes back to the program. It's nothing for me. It's nothing for all that money goes back to benefit our girls for ice creams, meals, jerseys, jackets, all that stuff goes back to benefit these girls. And so thank you for all your service and your sacrifice there. Some of the top memories, our Christmas party at Rhubarb, Trojan Classic brunch, pizza in Sterling, ice cream stops at Brahms, Freddie's stop in Great Bend. Several people mentioned Mallory Edgar has a gift of just getting to know people, and so she would do these interview sessions on bus trips, asking people questions and learning about them. That was a favorite thing. TikTok dance that the girls said that if we won, then I did, and we got Mr. Knoll with that. Unfortunately, many of the girls said that Coach Knoll was a better dancer than I. That's probably true. I'm not a great dancer, but fun memory there. During the year, someone was talking about that they thought it was hilarious. But I kept on calling it Emerson Reese. I think I got better at the end of the season. Got them mixed up a lot, but the girls handled that really, really well. Cheering section. The varsity girls started doing a cheering section during SEA Games. Bus trip conversations, many people said. And then when people took charges, it's one of those things we've tried to really play and encourage that a lot the last couple of years, and girls just go nuts for that and get excited for that. So that's an amazing thing. Some team honors that we've got. Our leading scorer this year was Tegan Worth. Congratulations on that. Leading rebounder was Tuesday Weisbeck. And then Medal of Honor. Once again, Medal of Honor is this idea of who takes the most charges. Last year we started that, and Danny Klein was that last year. But this year, Kinsey Kleiner won that. The Medal of Honor is something that to take a charge, you put your body in front of someone and take a pretty good hit a lot of times. And being able to do and sacrifice your body for your teammates, it's an unselfish act, and it brings a lot of energy to our team. Congratulations, Kinsey. You took 10 charges this year, which was huge. And so loved you getting in a defensive stance, getting in the places you needed to be and helping your teammate. That's huge for our team. For lettering, we had 14 girls letter. Sorenda, this is her first year lettering in basketball. Congratulations. Addie, second year lettering. Mallory Ediger, second year. Abby Freihofer, this is your first year lettering in basketball. Congratulations. Roxana is a third year, lettering as a manager. Millie, fourth year as a manager. Danny Klein, this is your third year. Iris Klein, third year lettering and manager. Kinsey, third year as a manager. Jessica, third year. Tuesday, third year. Tegan, third year. Emerson, this is your second year. And then Reese, congratulations, this is your first year lettering. But that's a huge honor. So congratulations on lettering. It's a neat thing. You playing in half the quarters, being a senior all 4 years. Those things are really huge for our team, but it's awesome to see how many girls were able to letter and meet those qualifications this year. A couple other honors. Kinsey Kleiner received honorable mention for Central Kansas League. Congratulations, Kinsey. Fantastic honor. How that works is I get to go and just basically speak highly of our girls and try to get as many girls on as possible. And I don't get a vote for my girls. What happens is the other coaches vote, and so they're recognizing players and how well they do and perform throughout the year. So Kinsey Kleiner, congratulations on being honorable mention. Tegan Worth, congratulations. First team. I know this was one of her goals at the beginning of the year, even during volleyball season, was to be first team basketball. Huge honor. There's some great players in our league, and to be first team is a huge honor. So congratulations, Tegan. She's first team 2A in the VIPE high school publication. She was honorable mention 2A in Topeka Capital Journal. And there may be some other ones that have come out that I missed. But congratulations, Tegan. Great honors, being recognized not just in the Central Kansas League, but all over the state as well. So that's huge. Lastly, I want to talk about seniors. I want to do a couple different things. I'm going to have individual videos that are separate from this that just highlight the girls. And so please go look at those individual videos. That would be great to go watch. I'm also going to put a Google Doc there that I would love for girls to go and put positive memories, thank yous, just positive affirmations on there just for these 6 seniors. Go on there. I'll have links to that. You can go on and communicate that. Parents, players, coaches, go on there and just write kind words. We can't do that as much face-to-face anymore with this COVID stuff, so I created that so you can do that as well. Lastly, with this, senior parents, you guys are amazing. These 6 girls, one of my favorite classes of all time. And you guys have a huge part in that, and just the sacrifice that you have, how you've raised them. These girls are amazing, and you guys as parents have done a fantastic job, and I am so, so grateful for you guys. You senior parents were so kind to my family, to my wife and my kids, and to me. I know that, we are so grateful, and so I wanted to say a special thank you to you as senior parents as well. Thank you. I know this is a little bit different, but I hope this is a way that we can honor everybody. Go watch those senior videos, and we appreciate